The operation to find two missing Singaporean had to be put on hold due to the heavy fog on Mount Kinabalu today. The police source said the operation had to be temporarily postponed due to the bad weather condition that could put the rescue personnel's safety at risk. According to the police source, the mopping up operation would continue once the weather returns back to normal. Yesterday, Sabah Tourism Minister Datuk Sri Masidi Majun said there were still two missing victims and both of them are Singaporean.